I am delighted to welcome you this evening to discuss the topic of advancing the rule of law around the world by building business leadership.
The rule of law can mean many different things to different people. In its simplest form, the concept of the rule of law means that the law should govern. To quote from the article "And Justice for All" by Gary Hogan and Victor Boutros, most poor people do not live under the shelter of the law. Instead, they inhabit a world in which perpetrators of abuse and violence are unrestrained by the fear of punishment. LexisNexis is built on the foundation of advancing the rule of law. Publishing laws and enabling access to justice is at our core. This is what we do every day as a commercial business. Our people can see the solid connection between advancement of the rule of law and creating a better society. But we also think that there's a powerful role for the business community as a whole. And today, LexisNexis and the Atlantic Council are extremely proud to present the initial draft of the Global Rule of Law Business Principles to the Secretary General. And from tonight, the United Nations Global Compact will work to develop a truly global approach for how the business community can support the rule of law using the principles as an important foundation in this process. LexisNexis and the Atlantic Council will closely collaborate with the United Nations in this ongoing process.
The Atlantic Council's mission is to renew the Atlantic community for global challenges. What ties the Atlantic community together and its like-minded friends are values. They're very simple words: democracy, human rights, and of course, rule of law.
Please welcome to the stage the 8th Secretary General of the United Nations, Ban Ki-moon.
I'm deeply honored to receive this inaugural LexisNexis Rule of Law Award. I humbly accept this award on behalf of the entire United Nations. Without the rule of law, there is no security, no accountability. Human rights abuses are committed with impunity. Companies can respect the human rights by following the guiding principles on business and human rights.
Please join me in congratulating the former President of Ireland from 1990 to 1997 and the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights from 1997 to 2002, the Honorable Mary Robinson.
Thank you very much indeed, and I'm truly honored to be honored in such good company. Literally for me, rule of law is at the heart. It's not a cold issue. It's an issue of security of the person, security of the community, security against violence, security to carry out the various ways in which people want to live together.
Please join me in congratulating the immediate past president of the American Bar Association and founding partner of the Bellows Law Group, Ms. Laurel Bellows.
Understanding that the rule of law is not the province of lawyers only. It is the province of opinion leaders in every corner and in every community of every country in the universe. If I had been on the committee to give out awards, the inaugural award for rule of law initiatives in this world, I would have given the award to Lexis. And I would like you all to appreciate the fact that this company, without boasting, in the most humble and understated of ways, has been working to advance the rule of law throughout the world.
When we live in a global society, we have to have a rule of law.
So we're trying to advance actual declarations about the rule of law and bring together the business community with governmental entities.
We are so happy that we are partners with LexisNexis.
Rule of law is an important issue all around the world, and I know LexisNexis has played an important role in strengthening it.